Hi, Colette. Thank you so much for your poem this week. Um, I am going to start with your questions. You've never written a repetition poem before. I searched up some poems on Google. This is what I came up with. Um, I really like the form that you chose. I'm super into it. I like the spacing and I like the stanzas that you're doing. I like that there's a break here and I like that it's all lined up. That works really well for me. Um, and then in terms of improving this poem, making it longer or shorter or not so spaced out, I don't think that you need that. The only thing I was wondering about is I noticed the shift in your poem where you say it takes control and then you shift to I apologize. I wonder what it would feel like if you did one or two more shifts to experiment with this form. So if you did another section that had a different repetition and then a fourth section that had another repetition. Do you know what I'm saying? I think it could create something really interesting. And then, I recognize that the way that you end this poem is it takes control, space, I apologize, which I like that ending so much. So I recognize that if you add a third or a fourth section, the ending might shift a little bit because of what you're doing with the form. But I think it would be interesting to experiment with that. So that is my suggestion for moving forward with this poem. Thank you so much, Colette. I really enjoyed your work this week.